Have you ever wondered how to make money with the Noon affiliate program? Well, you're in the right place. Noon is a dynamic, customer-centric online marketplace that presents a world of opportunities for those with an entrepreneurial spirit. An affiliate program, on the other hand, is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for promoting a company's products or services. So, imagine combining the power of Noon's vast marketplace with the potential of an affiliate program. That's exactly what the Noon affiliate program is about. It offers a unique platform to earn money by promoting Noon's diverse range of products. This video is your comprehensive guide to unlocking the potential of this exciting program. We will walk you through the sign-up process, understanding the dashboard, promoting products, earning commissions, and finally, some tips for success. So, are you ready to embark on this rewarding journey? Now, let's dive into the process of making money with the Noon affiliate program. Step 1 is to sign up for the Noon affiliate program. This is the pivotal first step that opens the door to a world of possibilities. Let's walk you through this process. Begin by heading over to the Noon affiliate program website. Look for the sign up button, usually found on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sign up form. This form is your ticket into the program, so you want to fill it out as accurately as possible. Now, let's talk about the details you'll need to provide. First, you'll need to enter your full name. Make sure it matches the name on your official documents. This is crucial to ensure a smooth verification process later on. Next, you'll be asked to provide your email address. This should be an active email that you check regularly, as it will be your primary point of contact for all program-related communications. You'll also need to create a password. Make it strong, yet memorable. Remember, security is paramount. You'll then be required to enter your phone number. Again, this should be a number you have easy access to, for it will be used for account verification and security purposes. The next step is to provide your website or blog URL. If you don't have one, don't fret. You can still participate in the program by promoting products through your social media channels. Just make sure to enter the most relevant URL. Lastly, you'll be asked to fill in your payment details. This is where your commissions will be sent, so ensure the information is correct and up to date. Once you've filled in all the required details, take a moment to review everything. Accuracy is key here. When you're confident everything is in order, click on the Submit button, and there you have it. You've successfully signed up for the Noon affiliate program. Now you're one step closer to earning commissions by promoting some of the best products on the market. Once you've signed up, you're ready to move on to the next step. After signing up, you'll have access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where the magic happens. It's like the cockpit of a spaceship where you control your journey into the vast universe of affiliate marketing. Let's start with the performance metrics, the heart of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a wealth of information to measure your success. We're talking about metrics like clicks, conversions, and your earnings. These numbers are your compass, guiding you towards the most lucrative strategies. If a particular product is getting a lot of clicks but not many conversions, it might be time to change your approach. Another significant part of your dashboard is the promotional materials. These are like the fuel for your spaceship. They're ready-made banners, links, and product images you can use in your promotional efforts. You don't need to create them from scratch. Simply copy and paste them into your website or social media and watch your audience engage with them. Now, let's talk about tracking features. These are your spaceship's navigation system. You can see where your traffic is coming from and which promotional materials are performing the best. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire operation. This data is crucial for optimizing your strategy. For instance, if you notice that a certain banner is driving a lot of traffic, it's a good idea to use it more frequently. Your dashboard is also where you'll find the payout details. This is your treasure chest, showing you how much you've earned and when you can expect to receive your payment. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on this, as it provides a tangible measure of your success. Think of your dashboard as a dynamic tool, constantly updating with fresh data. It's not just a static snapshot of your performance, but a living, breathing overview of your affiliate marketing journey. Understanding your dashboard will help you track your progress and maximize your earnings. So take the time to explore it, understand it, and use it to your advantage. It's your command center, your guide, and your key to unlocking the immense potential of affiliate marketing. The next step is to start promoting Noon's products. Let's dive into the different methods you can use to share these products with potential customers. One powerful way to promote products is through social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter are a gold mine for affiliate marketers. You can create engaging posts about the products, share customer testimonials, or even run a contest to garner attention. Remember, the key to social media marketing is consistency and creativity. So, keep posting regularly and think outside the box to stand out. Another method is through blogging. If you have a website or blog, you can write product reviews or create content around the products. This not only provides value to your readers, but also subtly promotes the products. You can incorporate affiliate links within your blog posts, so when readers click on these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The trick here is to write honest and comprehensive reviews. People trust authenticity, and that's what will drive them to make a purchase. Email marketing is yet another effective way to promote products. You can build an email list and send regular newsletters featuring the products. Or you can also send personalized product recommendations based on your subscribers' interests. The trick with email marketing is to strike a balance. You don't want to spam your subscribers, but you don't want to be forgotten either. So, plan your emails wisely. Lastly, remember to track your promotions. This will help you understand what's working and what's not, so you can tweak your strategies accordingly. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't just promote products blindly. Understand your audience, their needs, and their preferences. Then, promote products that align with these factors. This way, you're not just selling, but providing a solution. And that's what will set you apart from other affiliate marketers. By effectively promoting products, you can increase your sales and thus your earnings. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, earning commissions. The concept here is simple, and it's all about making money from each sale you help generate through your affiliate links. Here's how it works. For every purchase that's made from a customer who's clicked on your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. This is your reward for driving traffic and sales to the Noon website. The amount of commission you earn depends on the commission rate, which varies depending on the product category. For instance, electronics may have a different commission rate than fashion items or home goods. The commission rate is a percentage of the purchase price of the product. So, if a customer purchases a product worth $100 and the commission rate for that product category is 5%, you'd earn $5 from that sale. Now you might be wondering, how often do you receive these commissions? Well, the frequency of payouts is typically on a monthly basis. This means that at the end of each month, all the commissions you've earned from the sales you've generated are totaled and paid out to you. How do you receive these payouts? There are typically a few different options available, including direct deposit into your bank account, payment via check, or even through digital wallets. This makes it easy and convenient for you to receive your earnings no matter where you are. It's important to note that the more sales you generate, the more commission you earn. So it's in your best interest to promote as many products as possible and to drive as much traffic as you can to the Noon website. With every sale, you earn a commission, and that's how you make money with the Noon affiliate program. To wrap things up, here are some tips for success. First and foremost, focus on promoting products that align with your audience's interests. This not only boosts your credibility, but also increases the likelihood of affiliate sales. Consider their needs and wants, and choose products that solve their problems or enhance their lives in some way. Next, don't underestimate the power of search engine optimization, or SEO. Use relevant keywords in your content to improve its visibility online. Remember, the more people see your content, the higher your chances of making a sale. Lastly, keep track of your successful strategies, experiment with different approaches, analyze your results, and replicate what works. It's all about finding and refining your winning formula. With these tips and a solid understanding of the Noon affiliate program, you're well on your way to making money.